This is what we're fixing for the city of Tiffin to show them how to fix problems like this quickly and affordable. Here is a problem that happens on the side of the bridges because of the snow plows hitting all this stuff, knocking all this stuff out. Well, we all know that in order to fix it, you can put regular cement on there and it's not going to bond. It's going to delaminate, it's going to fall out. Or the second option is obviously cut it right here, cut it that way, and rebuild it up again. Those are the only two options you have. Or leave it alone. Well, what I'm doing right now, I mixed some of the product that we have, concrete fusion, and what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to wet it. I'm just going to give it a quick wet. And what this is, I want to make sure that my product is going to penetrate into the concrete. I want to make sure that we have a good bonding in there. Just pack it. That's what you want to do. You want to pack it. This is a finished product. Look how beautiful that turned out. Very nice.